children, are you all waiting for today's class? Okay. So in the last class we learned a beautiful story. In the last class we learned a beautiful story. So what was her story name? What was her story name? Yes, Granny's Sari. So in the last class we learned the story Granny's Sari. In the last class we learned the story Granny Sari. So before we started our class, we have to discuss some questions. So I want to know how much you were study the last class. So first question is that, who has a special sari? Who has a special sari? Who has? Yes, Granny has a special sari. So what was the color of the sari? What was the color of the sari? Yes, it is in green color. So what did the mother? What does the mother bear doing? What does the mother bear doing? She is catch something. What is that? Yes, she catching fish for her baby bear. She was catching fish for her baby bear. So next question. So who were sleeping on the rocks? Who were sleeping on the rocks? Who are they? Two fat lion. Two fat lions. Then next one. So what did the parrots doing? What did the parrots doing? They were pecked the juicy red fruit. They were pecked the juicy red fruits. So then we have to discuss the next part, the second part. So look at page number 21. One day, Granny washed her sari and hung it on the clothesline to dry. So one day, Granny washed her sari and the sari became wet. So she wanted to dry it. So she hung it on a clothesline. Suddenly the wind came and blew it away. Suddenly a big wind came. Then what happened? Granny's saris flew away. Oh no, my favorite sari has flown away, said Granny sadly. So at that time Granny said that, oh no, my favorite sari has flew away. Don't worry, Granny, said Anu. So at that time Anu came there and she told Granny, don't worry, Grandma. So Anu was the granddaughter of Granny. I am sure we will find your sari if we search for it. So don't worry, Grandma. We have to find out your sari. I will help you find your sari. I will help you find out your sari. So there is one question for you. Do you think Anu and Granny will get the sari? Do you think if they get the sari? So we have to learn. So Granny and Anu went down the road and looking for the sari. So Anu and Granny, they went to the road and they started searching the sari. They met a policeman. So at that time they meet a policeman. Please, Mr. Policeman, said Anu politely. So Anu very respectfully called the policeman. Have you seen my granny's sari? Did you see my granny's sari? Of course I have, said the policeman. So the policeman replied that he saw Granny's sari. Yesterday I was choosing a robber. So yesterday I was catch a robber. Then what is the meaning of robber? What is the meaning of robber? A person who commits robbery. Then robber means a person who then what is the meaning of robber? Robber means a person who commits robbery. Robber means a person who commits robbery. A person who commits robbery. So, yesterday the policeman catched by a thief. We can simply say that robber means thief. He had stolen things from a jewelry shop. So, he had stole some things from the jewelry shop. He has stolen ornaments from the jewelry shop. He was running so fast. He ran very fast. He was about to escape. So, he ran very fast and he tried to escape from me. Just then a green sari came flying down from the sky and wrapped itself round his head. So, suddenly a green sari flying down from the sky and it round his head. Then what happened? A sari came out of her face. What happened? We did not see anything. The robber couldn't see and he bumped into a tree. So, the robber could not see anything and he hit into a tree. I catch him and put him in jail. So, I catch him, I take him and put into the jail. Next week I am going to get a medal. So, I am going to get a medal because I catch a thief. But the sari flew away again. I didn't see that. So, Anu and Granny kept walking in search of the sari. So, they didn't reply any words of the policeman and they started their walking for searching the sari. They passed Lakshmi hut. So, they passed Lakshmi's hut. Hut means small house. Hut means a small house. Hut means a small house. They were past the house of Lakshmi. Lakshmi was a fisherwoman. So, Lakshmi was a fisherwoman. Fisherwoman means a woman or a person selling fishes. Then, good morning Lakshmi, said Anu. So, Anu wished Lakshmi. She said to Lakshmi, good morning. And she stopped because Granny tapped her shoulder and whispered. So, she stopped her walking. Why she stopped? She noticed that Granny were tapped her. Tapped means she tapped her. Look, there is a row stood Lakshmi. 3 children were wearing new clothes. So, Granny told Anu, look, Lakshmi children were wearing new clothes. The eldest boy wore a green shirt. So, the eldest boy wore a green shirt. On the sleeves were the pictures of spotted deer playing on the grass. On the sleeves of the shirt we can see the deer. It was playing on the grass. The girl wore a dress that had picture of a parrot on the pecked and squirrel on the other. So, when we have to look the dress of the girl, we can see the parrots were picked the juicy fruits and the squirrels eating the nuts. The little boy wore a shirt with the picture of a fat lion. So there is a little boy, his shirt also, we can see the picture of a two fat lions. So have you understood this second part also? Then we have to discuss the words from this lesson. First one is, we already discussed, robber. Robber means a person who commits robbery. The next one is hut. Hut means small house. We can discuss some more words also. So the next word is that cloth line. Next one is cloth line. Next one is cloth line. Cloth line means a rope used for drying cloth. A rope. A rope used for drying cloth. Cloth line means a rope used for drying cloth. Then next one is suddenly. Next one is suddenly. Next word is suddenly. Suddenly means quickly. Suddenly means quickly. Suddenly means quickly. The next one is politely. Next one is politely. Next one is politely. Politely means respectfully. Politely means respectfully. So we can see there some more words. Then bumbled. Next one is bumbled. Next one is bumbled. Bumbled means hit something. Bumbled means hit something. Bumbled means hit something. So these are the words we can learn from this part. Then we have to discuss some questions. We have to discuss some questions. So a first question is that, how did Granny Sari help the policeman? How did Granny Sari helped the policeman? Yes, it helped the policeman to catch a robber. It helped the policeman to catch a robber. The next one, second question, what made Granny sad? What made Granny sad? We can also see the line in your textbook. What made Granny sad? Yes, because her sari flew away, or because her sari flown away. The next one, who is going to get the medal? Who is going to get the medal? Who get the medal? A policeman. Then who is Lakshmi? Who is Lakshmi? Yes, Lakshmi is a fisher woman. Lakshmi is a fisher woman. So I hope this also you will understand. So I will give you some work you have to write in your notebook. So your first homework is that, first one, what are the pictures? What are the pictures printed on? What are the pictures printed on Granny's sari? What are the pictures printed on Granny's sari? Then your second one, why was the second homework? Why was the policeman? Why was the policeman chasing the robber? Why was the policeman chasing the robber? Then first one, what are the pictures printed on Granny's sari? So you can see your textbook, the pictures what are printed on Granny's sari. You can look at the picture and write. Then second one, why was the policeman chasing the robber? There is a reason the policeman were chasing the robber. You can read the textbook, then you will get the answer. So I hope that all you were understood this. Thank you.